Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Zoom so changes sync to your profile. Use the desktop app or Zoom. Us in a browser. Once signed in, make sure you have a square image file ready. Zoom crops to 1:1, so a 300x 300 pixel image works well. Now click your avatar or initials in the top right and choose Profile or My Profile to open settings. This first action puts you in the right place to change the picture and avoid surprises from virtual backgrounds or app caching. Once in your profile, click Edit, then Change or Upload Picture and pick the file you prepared. Zoom accepts JPG and PNG. After uploading, use the crop and zoom controls to center your face and avoid cutting off shoulders. This ensures a professional, recognizable thumbnail. Make sure the image is well lit and uncluttered because small thumbnails emphasize contrast. When satisfied, click Save and check the thumbnail in the app header. If it looks off, reopen Edit to fine-tune the crop or upload a slightly larger. To finish, update mobile if you use Zoom on phone, go to Settings, tap your name, then Profile Photo and Edit. Changes sync across devices. Once saved, sign out and back in or refresh the app to push the update. Make sure the thumbnail appears in meetings and in your contact card. If the image fails to update, clear the app cache or browser cache, then re-upload using a PNG or JPG. This troubleshooting step resolves most sync and format hiccups, so your new photo shows reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.